RS, BS Cream 2H. This activity, there are four methods. First is cutting, and the second tip lifting, and the third weight absorption, and the last scrapping. The first activity is cutting. Then investigator is need to do cut the item where they're suspected that stain adheres the instrument. We use sterilized cutting device for scissor cutting, and then we put it on the paper bag on there to preserve the type of evidence that we discover on a suspected item. And the next is sweat absorption. That items we use here are cotton buds, and this distilled water in or there to moistrand in the tip, and it is suspected evidence. And after that we air dry and cotton buds as preservation of evidences, and that after we put in paper bag we sealed in, we fill that evidence tag as identification of evidences. And the third method is tape lifting. Only applicable, non-applicable, absorbent or material like cement, tiles, or glass. In this activity, we use Scotch tape as after instant adhering unsuspected material item, and then put in the paper bag to preserve the evidences. It sealed it properly for laboratory examination that would be done by the M. And the last method is scrapping. Scrapping method must be done scrapping on the item. Emerge of perfective evidence is adhere. Scrapping must be done on removing suspected stain on something by sterilized sharp objective of material, and this activity we use sterilized cutter to remove a suspected stain on the wood, and also we use in clean bond paper to catch the bond paper, the following strap evidence from falling onto the ground, and then we put this evidence on paper bag to preserve to evidence and for laboratory examination. Good day, sir. That will be all. Thank you.